3 hospital workers in Virginia have been arrested and charged with second-degree murder following the death of a black man in custody at a mental health facility. 7 sheriff's deputies have also been charged in relation to the death. Magda Gabrisalesa is tracking the story for us, and she joins us now from Washington. So, Magda, what happened that led to his death?
Well, the prosecutor in this case says Irvo Otieno was smothered to death. She said in court that surveillance video showed that, and that video has not been made public yet. Now, this all happened on March 6th, south of Richmond, Virginia. The 28-year-old was being transferred from the county jail by the police to the Central State Hospital, a psychiatric hospital. The prosecutor said he was handcuffed and had leg shackles on. In the video, she said he wasn't agitated or combative. Then she said 7 deputies held him down on the ground for 12 minutes, smothering him to death, she said. Now, the Otieno family has watched this video. They watched it yesterday. This is his mother.
What I saw today was heartbreaking, America. It was disturbing. It was traumatic. My son was tortured, to put it right. I saw the torture.
If we learned anything from the trial of the killers of George Perry Floyd, when he's in your custody, he's in your care.
So there at the end was civil rights lawyer Ben Crump referring to the murder of George Floyd by police officers in Minneapolis. Now, Crump is one of many that is supporting this family. They're all calling for answers and justice. And according to the prosecutor of the chief medical examiner's office, released a preliminary report that said asphyxiation was the cause of death. So at this point, there are 7 deputies and 3 hospital staff that have been charged with second-degree murder.
And Magda, what are we hearing from the people who have been charged?
Well, some of the defense lawyers have been speaking to reporters. Kerry Bowen is representing Deputy Jermaine Branch. He said Otieno had mental health issues. In court, he said that the officers were concerned about his ability, possible ability to be violent. And here's what he had to say about his client.
Our client has been there for 24 years. And I know that the sheriff is anxiously watching this to see what's happening. But her position, I believe, is still that they were doing their job and they're doing it the best they could.
The sheriff's office is cooperating with the investigation, and the local police union released a statement that said what happened was tragic, but it's standing behind the deputies that were charged. Now, next week, this is going to go before a grand jury, which will have a final say on any charges going forward.